Hello everybody, thank you for joining. This video will take a look what is transactional. We will also understand basic design principles about asset model and the main asset model features in Mysql, but these models not only in Mysql, and you should understand this model if you deal with the relational database in daily basis. Alright, I opened there Mysql.com where you can find detailed information about asset model. To be shortly, asset is abbreviation which consists in atomicity, consistency, isolation, durability. Well, atomicity covers how our transactions will be running. It will be run in all or nothing model. It means if we get some trouble with transactional in an execution transactional, it will lead to problems and our database changes will not be applied from wrong transactions. But otherwise, if we use correct transaction, it will be executed successfully and all our data will be stored in our database. Alright, the next, consistency. These topics understand how data valid after commit. We will check commit statements a little bit later in this video, but you should understand after commit all our data must be valid. The next one is isolation. It means transactions helps to lead for sequential execution. And the last one, durability, it shows how our data will be stored. So our data after transaction must be permanently stored. It's a really short meaning about asset model. I really recommend you go through this page. It's very useful information about relational database. Alright, let's jump to transactionals, and as you can see, this page shows how to execute transactionals, which statement we should use to execute it, and you can read many interesting things here, and I will share all these links in my video. Alright, so we're ready to jump to practice section. I already opened Mysql in my local environment. Let's see which databases we have here. We have employees database. Let's use this database to understand how many tables we have here, and as you can see we have 9 tables right now, and let's focus on titles tables. These tables will be managed today. So let's select data from this table. I almost forget to provide from before provide table name, and I don't want to waste your time. I will provide limit 100. As you can see, that's a lot of information about all titles inside this table, and you can see that right now we have all data information here. So let's execute. Let me show how to execute transaction. The first thing what I need to do, I want to disable after commit after each SQL statement. To disable it, you should set after commit to 0. The next what I want to do right here, I want to delete all information from titles. For this I will use delete from titles, and this statement is executed in 6 seconds. And let's check one more time how many data we have inside tables, and you can see there are no any data, right? Any data over there. So this is why we deleted from titles. But let's imagine situation where we need to roll back our changes, despite the fact that we deleted all data from titles. So we can, for this, we'll use rollback statement. Let's execute it. So this command takes some time. We should wait for this. It's executed. So this command executed successfully. Let's check one more time what we have right now. And as you can see, we successfully rolled back all our information. So this is very important topic about transactional. If you want to roll back your changes to previous your changes, you can use rollback. But if we want to permanently delete all data from this table, we should use commit instead of rollback. So if I use commit, I will save my transactional. So, and if I run limit select from titles limit 100, we will get results. We have empty set. So this, which is mean we don't have any data inside titles right now. Let's exit and let's log in again. Let's use employees tables to see what we have here. Let's select data from limits, and you can see we right now we don't have any data inside titles. Well, that's how transactions works. That's how we can quickly roll back our changes, and moreover, that's in this video we'll cover how we can commit transactional changes. Well, pretty much it. I'm ready to wrap this up. Thank you for joining.